Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mambo number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody in the crowd, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boy said he wants some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna. It was like I had last week. I must stay deep, cause talk is cheap. I like Angela, Pamela, Sandra, and Rita. And as I continue, you know they're getting sweeter.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Gentleman.